I'm sure you're still wondering, well, how do I know if I'm resonating? How do I know if I'm in a resonant cavity? Well, let's do some resonant exercises. Hello, and welcome back to Vocalify. It's your girl, Miss Chance, and today we are going back to our resonance exercises. Let's get started. Let's do an exercise that will help us feel resonance and the movement of air throughout our vocal tract. Step 1. Drop your jaw to a relaxed, open position, but don't swallow any flies. Step 2. Open your throat with a big yawn. Place 2 fingers on your Adam's apple to feel the difference. Step 3. Take a deep breath from your mouth down into your core. On the inhale, you'll feel cool air pour into your throat, down into your core. And on the exhale, you'll feel warm air move up your windpipe and out of your mouth. If you've done this correctly, you've successfully opened up your resonant vocal tract airway. To feel even more openness, tilt your head backwards and repeat steps 1 through 3. Now let's add sound. Sing out on an open ah in the middle of your range. Ah. Take note of the vibrations in your throat. Ah. You should feel a buzz. Ah. Lastly, place your sound in different areas and take a mental note of the differences in sound quality and where you're feeling vibrations. Keep playing around until you get the quality that you want. And that is the beginning of how you can find vocal resonance. If you liked what you saw today, remember, subscribe, hit a like. I'll see you later. Bye!